Head cheese or souse. This is made of the head, ears, and tongue. Boil them in salted water until very tender. Strip the meat from the bones and chop fine. Season with salt, pepper, sage, sweet marjoram, a little powdered cloves, and half a cup of strong vinegar. Mix all together thoroughly. Taste to see that it is flavored sufficiently, remembering that the spice tends to keep it, and pack hard in molds or bowls, interspersing the layers with bits of the tongue cut in oblongs, squares, and triangles not less than an inch in length. Press down and keep the meat in shape by putting a plate on the top of each mold, first wetting the plate, and a weight upon this. In 2 days, the cheese will be ready for use. Turn out from the shapes as you wish to use it, or, should you desire to keep it several weeks, take the cheese from the molds and immerse in cold vinegar in stone jars. This will preserve it admirably, and you have only to pare away the outside should it be too acid for your taste. This is generally eaten cold for tea, with vinegar and mustard, but it is very nice cut in slices, seasoned slightly with mustard, and warmed in a frying pan with enough butter to prevent burning. Or you may dip in beaten egg, then cracker crumbs, and fry for breakfast. If the tongue is arranged judiciously, the slices will be prettily marbled.